from HeatSmart,
Okay.
one of the meetings. Your general impression when you guys were talking about what you do, it just seemed right. I'm not very scientific about why, but you just presented a good program, and you had good literature, and we gathered it and talked about it and decided that you were who we would go with to do the geothermal. Because we wanted to get off of fossil fuels. We lived in our house for 50 years, as we shared with you, and after the basement dry up work was done, I couldn't be more thrilled to have a dry basement. Wish I'd known years ago about doing a dry basement. And the insulation part too, Matt, changed the whole dynamic in the basement and in our whole house, as did the insulation that we did with Snug Planet a couple of years before we did the geothermal. It really was good, and we liked pretty much everybody who came and worked at the house, and everybody was very kind, very patient. They did seem to do all the right things. I appreciated the cleanup after every day. Getting off of fossil fuel by having the geothermal and potentially air conditioning. Certainly, we use much less electricity. I think it's cleaner. I'm truly saying this because I was duly impressed after winter had been going on for a while to realize that places that there normally lots of dust on the top of things, there wouldn't be even after a couple of weeks. And it was like, wow, this is a plus.